Some of you definitely guessed the answer. I was just joking around. It really wasn't on there. The real problem was I was waiting for the other battery to come in. So instead of going back with Motorcraft, I went and got some AGM batteries, diehard, even though I know it's advanced auto now, but you know, that's what I'm going to put on here. So it should start after I had the new ones. One of them was totally dead. So thanks for commenting, and I had a lot of chuckles about how big of an idiot you thought I was. So I am a pretty big idiot, but anyways.